So hey guys, so today we are doing an unboxing video of the website brandless.com.
Brandless brand.
Yes, so the great thing, well, I guess what sets this website apart from a bunch of other websites is everything on the website is $3. Actually, I got a coupon code. I don't know if it's still working, but basically I got $40 worth of stuff for 20 bucks.
What?
But I got 2 of them.
What?
So I got,
that's crazy, y'all.
I can't do math. So I got like $80 of stuff for,
pretty much.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Something, math. Yes, something with math. On Groupon. So if it's still up, I'll link it below. If not, I'm sorry. But I got this like 2 days ago and it's been really hard not to open it.
We wanted to do a video just for this. So you had to wait on me. And I was excited for it too, so.
Yes. Sorry if I'm making noises. I'm kind of, like, I have really bad sinuses and I'm sort of sick again.
We love you the way you are, Victoria.
So let's open the small one first.
Okay.
So we open it, says, woohoo, you've gone brandless, open me up. So, oh, it's like, yeah, you wanna.
If David reads anything.
Oh, and they said there's a enjoy $10 off your order. See the back for details. Oh, so they've got like a code, $10 off your next $50 order. And then they also have a share the goodness with $5 off. And the code is give5, so you wanna.
Okay, so here are some cards. So it's like, welcome to Brandless. Welcome guys. And it's like, hey, name, I want to tell you you're the most adjective person in my life. You inspired me to verb. Not even a million now would be better.
I guess you're supposed to fill it out for someone.
I guess, yeah.
You send it to someone? I don't know, I'm not sure.
Brand
stickers?
I love stickers. Oh my gosh.
And this is like a little catalog book with all of their, I think all of their products in it. Oh, and they have like recipes for the stuff that you buy. So like the pancakes.
Oh, they got snack stuff, look.
I don't remember all that I got. I got a bunch of stuff.
Oh, what is all this? They got fruit? What is that? Or
no,
is this a
it's
picture?
recipes.
Oh,
Okay, ready to start it?
We got chips! Oh, snacks!
These are yellow corn tortilla chips. I got some salsa, I remember now. I wanted to try this with the salsa. Let me see if I can find it.
What's that? Is that
okay, so I got, yes.
Yay.
I wanted to try these out too. It actually got here pretty fast. I just have terrible memory. I don't remember what I got. So this is exfoliating sugar scrub. Just a body scrub. It's lemon something. And then this is a green tea extract conditioner. I'm excited to try this. Let's do this.
I smell it.
Okay, I'm gonna open it. I want to smell it too. I can't open.
I can't smell it. It smells like green tea, yeah.
It smells lemony. I mean, that's what it's a lemon scent, so. Yeah, this smells like aloe. I'm excited to use this conditioner. Alright, what is this? Oh yes, I got a toner, a facial lotion, and a face cleanser. Let's look at them. This one is a green apple. Smell that.
Ooh, it sounds like that's real delicious.
So the toner is a green apple scent.
It smells good.
My nose is stopped up. It smells good. The facial cleanser is a grapefruit. It's got like tape all over it. I'm actually allergic to grapefruit.
What is this then?
But I don't think it's like real grapefruit, like extract.
Extract.
And then this is a fragrance-free face lotion, which is perfect. I don't like stuff that smells, has like a strong smell or something. For my face lotion, sorry, nose is stopped up.
Yeah, grapefruit has citrus in it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, let's see.
It may be okay.
I'm
gonna try this lotion.
Citrus, Brandis, grapefruit, extract. Yeah.
I'm gonna try this face lotion. Not my face, just on my hands. I'm gonna try it.
Oh, it's smellless.
Yeah, it doesn't really have a scent. I like it. It's lightweight. I don't like heavy lotions for my face. Everywhere else it's fine, but my face is delicate.
It feels like it's lightweight, but for me, it feels as if it will get the job done once.
Yeah.
Gross.
I think this is probably the salsa. Oh, the jelly.
Jam. Oh, it's strawberry jam.
Strawberry fruit
I
spread.
freaking love strawberry jam, like the passion deep
It
in my heart.
smells so good.
I
I
want to taste it.
don't have any bread or anything.
Man, I should have brought the
I do have
bread.
I do have some spoons if you want to get some spoons.
I should have brought the bread. Dang. Okay, what is that then? I'll get spoons in a minute, but what is that? The other one.
This should be the salsa. Salsa!
Salsa.
This is the chunky salsa and mild. I think they had a spicy one too, but I didn't.
She doesn't like
I don't
spice.
eat. I can't do spice. Like I'm the worst ever.
Mm.
Oh, it's that one you got to use a knife and or that. Never mind. I like to smell everything. It smells good. Okay.
Oh, yes.
Okay, so we're gonna try the chips and salsa.
Put it away.
My hands feel nice.
Right. I feel like the mush, like it feels like it's not heavy, but it still gets your like the
Yeah.
job done for your face.
Let's try it together.
Yes.
They're kind of smashed a little bit.
Oh.
Okay. Not too chunky. I don't like it too chunky, but.
Good. Still a little spicy though. Guys, hit. Not a lot. Just a little bit.
Does it taste a little sour to you? Like a little bitter taste?
No, I mean it tastes like salsa to me.
What?
Salsa does taste like a little. It does have a little bitter taste to me.
I want a spoon.
Okay, let me get a spoon. So I'll be back, guys.
Please get a spoon. This smells so good. I want to try it. Okay, one,
Right.
2, 3.
Ooh.
It's good.
Okay, I guess you're gonna keep that.
It's really good.
Mm,
It tastes like applesauce.
it does.
That's really good.
I love that. Dang, I want some Brandless branch.
Yeah, if you come over, when you come over, bring some bread or something.
I am. I'm gonna make some peanut
Or
butter.
if I have a little
and
baggie, I'll
jelly.
give you some.
I'm gonna make peanut butter and jelly sandwiches.
This is actually, I would keep buying this.
Yeah. I actually really want some of that for myself.
This is actually really, really good. I'll share some with you, don't worry.
I feel the love.
You wanna put this in the box?
Yes.
Oh, I guess we should put this in the box.
Wait, can we still like keep stacking on this one though?
Okay.
Alright, cool. Here.
I got more chips. Oh, I got keto chips. These
I love
are-
kettle chips.
These are sea salt keto chips. Oh yes, and I got peanut butter.
To go with your jam.
Yes.
Dope.
They have different flavors of these.
You got
chips.
jalapeno?
Yes.
Oh my gosh!
But you know I didn't get it.
I know.
They had like salt, vinegar, and they have. I think they have. I can't remember everything. But
Yeah, jalapeno kettle chips are my favorite kind of chips in the world. Just in case, you know, you care.
oh, and then I got. This was kind of like a filler item because I wasn't at exactly the amount that I needed to be to get use the coupon. I think these are 2 for $3.
You gotta put them in a pot and go.
Yeah, these are shells and white cheddar, basically mac and cheese.
Oh, I thought those were white. I'm so blonde.
What'd you thought it was?
Popcorn.
Popcorn?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna make a video and we're gonna make this for you guys and we'll let you know if it's any good or not. And then, oh yes, and then this blueberry muffin mix.
Why am I blind?
It literally says muffin mix. And she's like,
cannot-
cookies? Is that a chicken?
I cannot see.
Do you guys remember that Kylie Jenner video and the mom was holding, was she holding a baby pig or something?
Yeah.
And she's like, is that a chicken? I'm asleep. But we'll make these and the mac and cheese in a video and then show you guys. Maybe we'll make it right after this and insert it at the end. I don't know. You're gonna love this. Some gummy lemonade rings.
Yes. Oh my
We're
god.
gonna try that here in a second. And last but not least, here, I'll shoot it over there. Sweet and salty trail mix. I love
Trail mix is a bomb.
trail mix. It's like my favorite thing ever. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this peanut butter because
I guess that's how I'm going grocery shopping now. I asked them to send me a ham in the mail. I don't eat pork, so.
Okay.
Okay,
it's like really watery.
Oh, because it's hot, but.
Let me try to mix it here. Okay.
Good.
It's good. I like it. These are the kettle chips.
Dang, I need some water.
The sea salt.
Hold on. Hey, cheese already. Ready?
Yeah.
This is good though. I'm impressed.
They taste like kettle chips. We're good. Okay, so next we're gonna try these gummy lemonade rings.
Oh, I'm excited.
I'm excited for these too.
Love
You can't
gummy.
see them. Okay. Mmm.
Oh, sour.
A little lemonade.
Yeah.
Sour?
A little bit, because I like lemonade. So, you know, a little tart. But still really sweet.
Like a strawberry lemonade or something. It's different colors. I wonder if like this one will be really sour or not. So these are really good. These are 10 out of 10. Would recommend. Chips 10 out of 10. Jelly an 11. The jelly's bomb.
Man, that jelly was so good. And the peanut butter too.
Peanut butter's bomb.
This was the best peanut butter I've ever had.
Last thing we have to taste.
Better than Smuckers. I love Smuckers.
One has peanuts, dark chocolate chunks, raisins, almonds, cashews, and sea salt. I'm too excited.
I love dark chocolate. Dang, I love just about anything. I was in the store the other day and I was so upset because I like Kit Kat's like my favorite candy. And they only sell the regular size bar of the dark chocolate Kit Kats.
They only sell?
Yeah, only sell the regular. Well, no, they sell like the milk chocolate, but they sell the milk chocolate in like the regular size, the bites, you know, the extra large, the king size, you know. But they only sell the dark chocolate. They sell the dark chocolate only like regular size.
Oh, you want like the king size?
Yeah. Just because I add strawberries too.
Okay, I'm putting it on the table because I want like a little piece of each one. I'm weird like that. Like I have to.
It's cool. I understand. I'm taking a little piece.
Where's the cashew?
The cashew? Oh, that's a good question.
Here, there's one in there.
Not too many of them.
No, it's not that many. These cashews are right
Raisin.
there.
I want chocolate.
Oh yeah, it's my raisin. Where's the raisin at? Okay, I'm weird. Did you take apart your trail mix?
I like to pair certain things in my trail
Really?
mix, so yeah.
I like to either like separate it so I get like one of each in every bite.
Wow, that's obsessive.
I know, it's so weird, but like
cool,
I have
though.
to have a plate or something.
No judgment here.
or eat more of everything else so I have a bunch of chocolate
But I
left.
understand. Yeah, no, that one I actually do. But I understand that because I have to actually pair certain things with certain chocolate. Yeah. So,
Really?
I understand.
I
Yeah.
need more chocolate. Okay, ready?
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
That dark chocolate is good.
Mm-hmm. I like it.
All this stuff has been really good.
A 9 out of 10.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So, what would you give? This is your first time using it. So, what would you give Brandless Brand? Like, what rating anyway?
I would give it a solid 8 out of 10.
8.
Yeah.
I mean, I'll give like a 9 out of 10.
9 is like perfect to me. Like almost like a 7.
Well,
It was
because
like
we didn't get to
perfect.
try, you know, this
That's why I
stuff.
give it an 8.
Oh, well, I gave it a 9 because we didn't give that stuff a chance. I feel like if that stuff messes it up, like the macaroni and cheese and the blueberries, and it doesn't come out as good, then it'd probably be an 8 out of 10 because, like, for the most part, it was really, really good. But we still have a little bit more stuff to try, so we'll just, like, you know, make more clips.
Everything I liked. I'm not a huge fan of this salsa.
I like the salsa.
It's good. I'll probably let you take it home then.
Oh, God, I love this salsa. It's good.
I like the chips. I like the peanut butter. I love the jelly.
The jelly was amazing.
I know. I am so excited for that jelly. I just want to buy like. Can they sell like cases of it like Costco and just give me a whole?
I'm pretty sure if you just keep like buying like
a bunch
jelly,
of it,
they'll give you like a discount at some point, or give you like, a
maybe
couple for free.
or maybe I'll just get $50 worth and get used a $10 off coupon. Imagine spending $40 on some jelly. And so basically, I'm gonna spend $40 getting the bunch of jelly. That jelly was
That
bomb.
jelly was really good, though.
I think they had another kind too, like they were strawberry, and I think there was probably like maybe a grape one or something. I don't know. There was another one. I don't remember what.
The strawberry jelly is the
Flavor.
best.
I don't know what flavor.
Maybe with peach.
Maybe. I like apple jelly the best.
What is it called? It's not called apple jelly, but I know what you're talking about. It's not exactly called apple jelly, but it definitely should be called apple jelly.
No, it's called the jelly I'm thinking about. It's apple jelly.
It's called apple jelly?
Yeah.
Then what am I thinking about?
I don't know, apricot or something.
Nah.
For peanut butter and jelly, peanut butter and syrup, or peanut butter and honey.
I like. Okay, it's hard because it's between peanut butter and jelly and peanut butter and honey. Because like, if I'm eating peanut butter and jelly with strawberry jam, I freaking love peanut butter and jelly.
Yeah.
But if I'm eating like peanut butter and honey, and I mix the honey and the peanut butter and I'm dipping apples in it, there's something different. So I don't know.
Like on a sandwich, like bread.
Oh, peanut butter and jelly, definitely.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you prefer creamy or crunchy?
Peanut butter?
Yeah.
Creamy.
Creamy?
Yeah, I hate crunchy.
Crunchy makes no sense. I feel like that's such a disgrace to.
I feel like they kind of got
Peanut butter?
lazy halfway through, and they just was like,
They're like, do
put
I
lid on
really
it.
have to
like,
mash all of this?
Because you know it get like, because you know peanut butter gets thick and it gets hard, so I just feel like they just got tired, just like threw a lid on it. And
Yeah.
Like, that's it.
Isn't Jordan's shirt cute? Kind of stand up a little bit and show them your shirt. It's so pretty.
Okay, so I actually lost a lot of weight, and I had to like roll it
So
up.
cute. It's you can't on camera. It looks really really bright orange, but it's not that bright. It has like a like red undertones. It's like really pretty.
But yeah, I lost a lot of weight, and so I had to basically roll it up and put a rubber band on it because I couldn't fit it all the way. But I like this better anyway.
So we're gonna continue snacking on our foods, and eating our trail mix and our lemonade, gummy lemonade rings, and our chips and salsa and our keto chips, and make some blueberry muffins, and also the mac and cheese. And then I'm gonna try the toner and then the facial lotion. And yes,
I hope you all could hear that. It was fast.
to understand what I just
Right.
But thanks you guys for watching. Let us know if you've tried out brandless.com before and if you liked it. If you haven't,
Put the link down there.
oh yeah, I'll put the link in the description. And if I can find that coupon code, I'll put that in the description as well. But we will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.